Join me as I dive into the challenge of creating the best email marketing strategy for 2024 and see if I can boost engagement like never before. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools in a business's arsenal, and when done correctly, it can lead to incredible results. The key to success lies in creating an effective strategy that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, having a solid email marketing plan is more crucial than ever. One of the biggest challenges businesses face with email marketing is low open rates. You pour your heart and soul into crafting the perfect email, only to have it languish in someone's inbox, unopened and unseen. It's a frustrating experience, to say the least. Another issue is poor engagement. You finally get people to open your email, but then they don't click on any links, or worse, they unsubscribe altogether. It's a problem that plagues even the most seasoned marketers. Traditional email marketing methods often rely on generic, one-size-fits-all approaches that fail to account for individual differences and preferences. This can lead to a lack of personal connection, causing your emails to fall flat. Moreover, with the constant influx of spam and irrelevant messages, people have become increasingly wary of opening emails from unknown senders. The result is a dismal open rate, and your marketing efforts are left to gather dust. The game has changed, and it's time to rethink our approach to email marketing. It's no longer about sending mass emails to a huge list, hoping that someone will bite. Today, it's about creating targeted, personalized, and highly relevant messages that speak directly to your audience. Let's talk about some innovative strategies that can help you revamp your email marketing game in 2024. Personalization, for instance, is a powerful tactic that involves tailoring your content to individual preferences and behaviors. By using data and analytics, you can create customized emails that resonate with each recipient on a deeper level. Another strategy is segmentation, which involves dividing your email list into smaller groups based on demographics, interests, or behaviors. This allows you to craft messages that are uniquely suited to each group, increasing the likelihood of engagement. Automation is another game changer in email marketing. By setting up triggered emails and workflows, you can create a seamless and personalized experience for your audience. For example, welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and birthday greetings can all be automated, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic tasks. Moreover, advanced automation tools can help you identify and nurture leads, moving them further down the sales funnel. One strategy that stands head and shoulders above the rest is using interactive content in your emails. Interactive content such as quizzes, polls, and surveys can dramatically increase engagement and encourage audience participation. By incorporating gamification elements, you can create an immersive experience that draws people in and keeps them engaged. For instance, you could create a quiz that helps customers find their ideal product or service, or a poll that solicits feedback on a new feature. The impact of interactive content is undeniable. It's a way to break free from the monotony of traditional email marketing and create a memorable experience that sets you apart from the competition. The key is to keep it simple yet engaging, and to make sure it aligns with your brand's overall messaging. When done correctly, interactive content can be a powerful tool in your email marketing arsenal. In conclusion, the key to creating an effective email marketing strategy in 2024 is to focus on personalization, segmentation, automation, and interactive content. By incorporating these tactics into your approach, you can create a more engaging, relevant, and memorable experience for your audience. Remember, it's all about building meaningful connections and providing value to your customers. What do you think about these strategies? Have you tried any of them in your own email marketing campaigns? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to take your email marketing to the next level. And if you're looking for more advanced tactics, be sure to check out our next video on advanced email marketing strategies.